Costco. With the applesauce, I have to install it from the back. It's hard to push it from the front. And it holds tight. The drinks, you just push it through the front, and that's it. It fits a lot of sizes. And take it out with ease. I'll definitely recommend this.
How cool is this? It's 3 rows, and you can fit 4 in each row of your favorite drinks. This is really cool. You know, you take one out, it will shift forward. You can push into a refill. I think I actually wish I had more for the other drinks. This would be so cool. It's like a great way to keep it organized.